Yep, just coming up to London Gatwick. And there's a Thameslink service. The reason these trains are delayed? Because of signal failure at Brighton. Yeah. But they should get back on track pretty soon. Come on. Move up.
We are now approaching Gatwick Airport. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Mesdames et messieurs, nous arrivons à l'aéroport de Gatwick.
Señoras y señores, estamos llegando al aeropuerto de Gatwick.
Signore e signori, siamo in arrivo all'aeroporto di Gatwick. Nous espérons que vous avez fait bon voyage et vous remercions d'avoir voyagé avec le Gatwick Express.
Esperamos que hayan tenido un buen viaje y les agradecemos que hayan elegido un Gatwick Express.
Ci auguriamo che il viaggio sia stato di vostro gradimento e vi ringraziamo per aver scelto Gatwick Express.
Would passengers for Gatwick Airport please note that this train will only remain on the platform for a short period of time.
Train now arrival on platform 3, the 1846 Thameslink service to Hawkshire. This service will call at 3 bridges, Crawley, Highfield, Littlehaven and Horsham. The train now arrival on platform 4 is the 1842 Gatwick Express non-stop to London Victoria only. You're in for a treat, you're on board supervisor to young Nigel.
Yep, it's a 3387202. And this is from Brighton to London Victoria service. And it's a Gatwick Express service. Yep. That's why I like these trains, because they say good languages. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I like the little depot whistles on there. Yeah, and I like these trains. The reason why I like these trains is they're so brilliant and they're so nice.